Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so as if you saw the last video, you'll know that my 911 is currently in Tech 9, getting a new clutch and some other bits and pieces. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and I'm going to show you what they found and see the progress of the car. I'm not going to be there very long, but I'm going to go there and I'm going to show you the old clutch that they've taken out, and I'm going to show you what they're up to. I don't even know where they're up to right now. But anyway, let's jump in the 718 Spider and get down there. But I'm going to show you first how you put the roof down on this car. So yeah, it's quite interesting. Let's do that. I've got it down to a fine art now, so yeah, but it's a little bit more involved than the previous car. Let me show you. Okay. The first thing you have to do, double click the key, and that undoes the mechanism in here and pops the boot. Already made a mistake. So then you unclip these things here, you press in here, pops out, and then they go in there like that. Like that. Alright. Roof goes up. Roof goes in. Do it from the other side. Goes down, and then there's these little flaps, and that's it. Done. It was easy, wasn't it? Alright, let's get on the road. And who said you didn't get any roof down weather in this country? Huh? Look at the weather. Nice. This is what it's all about, guys. I have to take my hat off though, because it'll blow off otherwise. I'm a little bit too tall to drive with a hat on. Alright, arriving at Tech 9. Let's see what we've got. Nice. Oh yes, look at this. So I'm wearing a mask because they've asked me to wear a mask. So, alright, so we've got obviously the car's on the ramp, and it's completely dismantled. And if you see here, this is the clutch and the flywheel, and you can see it's all still some meat left on the clutch. It's been slipping, and they say it's because the springs are weak, I believe, and yeah, so you've got this heat generated from the clutch slipping, even though it's still got meat on it. So what we're going with is lightened flywheel, which is still heavy, but this is the normal dual mass flywheel, and I can't even lift that one up with one hand. So that is, what do you think that weighs, that flywheel?
Oh, I don't know, do which way?
You don't need to go to the gym now. Okay. So that's the lightened flywheel. Is that 5.7 kilos?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's the dual mass flywheel. Whoa, 13.5 kilos. That's considerable difference. Over double. Wow.
Stay there.
Okay. And that's the clutch. So it's all waiting to go on. And we just what was the part that we needed? Something was leaking. Yes.
Slave cylinder.
Slave cylinder.
Yeah.
Slave cylinder was leaking, so we've ordered a new one, and it's just arrived. But that's the reason why the car's still here, not back together, because we needed a new slave cylinder. So that's here now. So I don't know when it's going to be ready though, so you just have to wait. This is my gearbox that's been removed, and yeah, just waiting for it to get put back together. And there's the gap where my gearbox should be. Yeah. And this is my old Kline exhaust, I think. Yes, it is, and that's all being replaced. So I've gotten a new one, which is not. I don't know where that is right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up here. Basically, car's not ready, and I just spoke to Phil. He said he's hoping that it will be ready by Thursday this week. So that's great if it is. Then I get it back. I get to drive it a little bit before I go away. Otherwise, yeah, I'll have to stay here. But anyway guys, I'm going to jump into Spider and go for a quick drive and then head on home. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all that stuff, and I'll catch you next time. Alright, bye bye.